eGain Customer Engagement Suite Online. Training. Overview of eGain Customer Engagement Suite. eGain Customer Engagement Suite is a comprehensive platform designed to enhance customer service and support experiences through a combination of digital channels, AI-powered automation, and knowledge management. It helps businesses manage customer interactions efficiently, provide consistent service, and improve overall customer satisfaction. Here's an overview of the key components and features of eGain's Customer Engagement Suite. 1. Omnichannel Engagement. Unified Platform. eGain provides an integrated platform that enables businesses to engage with customers across multiple channels: email, chat, SMS, social media, and voice, within a single interface. Consistent experience ensures customers receive a seamless experience across all touchpoints, regardless of the channel they use. To AI-powered customer service. Virtual assistants and chatbots. eGain uses AI to power chatbots and virtual assistants, offering 24/7 support for common customer queries and guiding customers through self-service. Natural Language Processing (NLP). The AI engine understands and responds to customer queries in natural language, improving response accuracy and customer satisfaction. 3. Knowledge Management. Centralized Knowledge Base. eGain's platform features a robust knowledge management system, allowing agents and customers to access relevant and accurate information quickly. Self-service portals. Customers can use self-service portals powered by the knowledge base to resolve issues independently, reducing the workload on service agents. 4. Contact Center Integration. Agent Desktop provides agents with a unified desktop experience where they can handle multiple types of customer interactions, emails, chats, calls, simultaneously, improving productivity. Intelligent Routing. eGain offers intelligent case routing based on context, customer history, and agent skill, ensuring that inquiries are sent to the most appropriate agent. 5. Analytics and Reporting. Real-time monitoring. Supervisors can monitor ongoing conversations and agent performance in real time, helping to improve service quality on the fly. Customer Journey Analytics provides detailed insights into the customer journey, helping businesses identify pain points and opportunities for improving the customer experience. Predictive Analytics uses AI to predict customer behavior, enabling businesses to anticipate needs and offer proactive support. 6. Automation and Process Optimization. Automated workflows. eGain allows businesses to automate routine tasks and processes, such as responding to common queries, ticketing, and case management, reducing operational costs and improving response times. AI-driven recommendations. eGain's AI engine suggests actions, solutions, or upsell opportunities to agents based on customer interactions and context. 7. Customer Experience Personalization. Contextual Assistance. The suite uses customer interaction history, preferences, and behavior to offer personalized service and responses. Cross-channel context. eGain maintains a consistent context across channels, so customers don't have to repeat themselves when switching between email, chat, or voice. 8. Compliance and Security. Data Security. eGain is built with enterprise-grade security, ensuring that customer data is protected across all interactions and channels. Regulatory compliance. The platform supports compliance with industry-specific regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and other data privacy requirements. Key features of eGain Customer Engagement Suite. The eGain Customer Engagement Suite is designed to enhance customer experience and optimize business outcomes through intelligent, multi-channel customer service tools. Here are the key features of the suite. 1. Multi-channel engagement. Unified omni-channel experience. eGain supports seamless customer interactions across channels like email, chat, phone, social media, and messaging apps. Co-browsing and screen sharing. Agents can assist customers in real time by viewing or controlling their screens, improving resolution times. 2. AI-powered virtual assistants. AI chatbots. Intelligent bots provide 24/7 automated assistance, guiding customers through self-service solutions. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables bots to understand and respond to customers in a conversational way, improving user experience. 3. Knowledge management. Centralized knowledge base. Agents and customers can access consistent and up-to-date information to resolve issues efficiently. Guided problem resolution. Agents are assisted with AI-powered suggestions, ensuring accurate responses and fast issue resolution. 4. Analytics and insights. Real-time monitoring. Track agent performance and customer interactions in real time, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions. Customer journey analytics. Understand customer behavior across different touchpoints and optimize engagement strategies. Sentiment analysis. AI-driven analysis of customer emotions during interactions for better personalization and service quality. 5. Agent Desktop. Unified Agent Desktop, a single, integrated interface where agents can manage customer interactions across multiple channels. Contextual assistance provides agents with contextual insights and tools for efficient customer service. 6. Cognitive search. Smart search capabilities. eGain offers cognitive search powered by AI, helping customers and agents find the right answers quickly from a vast repository of information. 7. Personalization and proactive service. Proactive engagement. The system can trigger personalized offers, notifications, or service assistance based on customer behavior or preferences. Dynamic personalization. Personalized experiences are powered by AI, using customer data to create tailored responses or suggestions. 8. Case management. End-to-end case tracking. eGain helps agents manage and resolve cases from initial contact through to resolution, ensuring no issue falls through the cracks. Workflow automation automates routine tasks and workflows, reducing agent workload and improving efficiency. 9. Security and compliance. Data encryption and security, built with enterprise-grade security to ensure customer data is protected. Regulatory compliance ensures compliance with key regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. 10. Integrations. Third-party integrations seamlessly integrates with CRM platforms, help desks, and business applications like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and Oracle. API support offers robust API frameworks to extend functionality or integrate with other systems. 11. Cloud-based and scalable. Scalable cloud solution built on a cloud architecture that supports scalability, ensuring it meets the needs of growing businesses. Implementing eGain Customer Engagement Suite in your business. Implementing the eGain Customer Engagement Suite in your business can significantly enhance customer support, streamline operations, and improve overall customer experience. eGain is a comprehensive solution that offers a unified platform for multi-channel customer engagement, knowledge management, analytics, and AI-powered automation. Here's a detailed breakdown of how to implement the eGain suite effectively. 1. Assess business requirements and define objectives. Identify key needs. Start by assessing your current customer service processes and pinpointing gaps in areas such as response times, knowledge management, or multi-channel support. Set goals. Define clear objectives for implementing the eGain suite. Common goals include improving customer satisfaction, reducing operational costs, increasing efficiency, or boosting agent productivity. 2. Choose the right modules. eGain Customer Engagement Suite comes with various modules catering to different aspects of customer service. Select the modules that align with your business objectives. eGain Knowledge Hub, AI-powered knowledge management to provide agents and customers with accurate, consistent answers. eGain AI and Automation, use chatbots and virtual assistants to automate routine queries and provide instant, 24/7 support. eGain Case Management, for managing complex customer cases, tracking issues, and escalating them when needed. eGain Analytics, for real-time insights into customer interactions, agent performance, and service trends. 3. Integrate eGain with existing systems. CRM integration. Ensure that eGain integrates seamlessly with your CRM system, example, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, for a 360-degree view of customer data and interactions. Omnichannel integration. eGain supports multiple communication channels like email, chat, social media, phone, and web. Integrate these channels to create a unified customer experience across all touchpoints. Legacy systems. eGain can be integrated with legacy systems in your business to provide a cohesive view of customer data and streamline workflows. 4. Configure workflows and knowledge base. Workflow automation. Configure workflows to ensure efficient handling of customer requests, ticketing, and case escalation. eGain's AI can help automate workflows to reduce agent workload and boost efficiency. Build knowledge base. Populate the knowledge hub with articles, FAQs, and guides. The system can offer real-time suggestions to agents and customers based on their queries. 5. Train employees and customize user interfaces. Employee training. Conduct comprehensive training sessions for your agents, supervisors, and administrators. Ensure they are familiar with the new tools, dashboards, and automation features. Customize dashboards. Tailor agent and supervisor dashboards to display relevant information such as customer context, service level agreements, SLAs, and performance metrics. 6. Leverage AI and automation. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Implement eGain's AI-powered virtual assistants to handle routine customer queries. These bots can escalate complex issues to human agents when necessary. Benefits of using eGain Customer Engagement Suite for customer support. The eGain Customer Engagement Suite offers a comprehensive set of tools and capabilities that enhance customer support, making it a valuable solution for businesses. Here are the key benefits. 1. Omnichannel customer support. Unified interaction. eGain supports multiple communication channels, email, chat, phone, social media, SMS, through a single platform, providing customers with consistent and seamless experiences across channels. Increased convenience. Customers can engage with support through their preferred channels, leading to improved satisfaction. 2. AI-driven automation and self-service. Virtual assistants, AI-powered chatbots and virtual agents offer 24/7 support, handling routine queries and tasks without human intervention. Knowledge management. The AI enhances self-service by guiding customers to the right solutions through knowledge bases, reducing the need for live agents. 3. Improved agent productivity. Agent Desktop. eGain consolidates all customer interactions into a unified agent desktop, which provides complete customer context. This reduces agent effort in switching between tools and helps resolve issues faster. Guided assistance. eGain provides real-time suggestions and workflows for agents to follow, ensuring consistency in responses and reducing training time. 4. Personalized customer experience. Contextual insights. By capturing historical data and using AI, eGain delivers personalized recommendations and responses based on individual customer profiles and past interactions. Customer journey mapping. The platform tracks customer journeys across channels, allowing agents to provide contextually relevant support. 5. Enhanced knowledge management. Centralized knowledge base. eGain's powerful knowledge management system ensures both agents and customers have access to accurate, up-to-date information, improving first contact resolution rates. AI-powered search. The platform offers intelligent search features that help agents quickly locate the right information, speeding up response times. 6. Advanced analytics and reporting. Real-time insights. eGain provides real-time analytics on customer interactions, agent performance, and service levels, enabling proactive management and optimization. Customer satisfaction tracking. It includes tools to measure and improve customer satisfaction, CSAT, and Net Promoter Scores, NPS, helping businesses gauge the effectiveness of their support strategies. 7. Seamless integrations. CRM integration. eGain integrates seamlessly with popular CRM platforms like Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics, ensuring a smooth flow of customer data across systems. API support. It offers APIs for further customization and integration with third-party apps or existing systems. 8. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud and on-premise options. eGain supports both cloud-based and on-premise deployments, making it adaptable to the needs of businesses of various sizes and industries. Scalable for growth. The platform is highly scalable, allowing businesses to expand their customer support capabilities as their operations grow. 9. Compliance and security. Data privacy. eGain complies with major regulatory standards like GDPR and HIPAA, ensuring the secure handling of customer data. How eGain Customer Engagement Suite enhances customer experience. The eGain Customer Engagement Suite is designed to enhance customer experience (CX) by providing comprehensive tools and features that enable businesses to offer personalized, seamless, and efficient customer support across multiple channels. Here's how it enhances customer experience. 1. Omnichannel engagement. Unified communication. eGain supports multiple communication channels like email, chat, phone, social media, and messaging apps. This ensures customers can engage through their preferred platform without interruptions. Seamless experience. Customers can switch between channels, for example, moving from a chat session to a call, while maintaining the context of their interaction. This reduces the need for customers to repeat themselves, improving satisfaction. 2. AI-powered self-service. Chatbots and virtual assistants. eGain uses AI to deliver intelligent chatbots that help customers find information or resolve issues quickly without human intervention. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, offering immediate responses. Knowledge management. The suite includes advanced knowledge management tools that deliver relevant and contextual information to customers during self-service, allowing them to resolve issues on their own. 3. Personalization. Customer profiles. eGain integrates with CRM and other systems to create a unified customer profile, allowing agents to access past interactions, preferences, and purchase history. This enables personalized responses and more informed support. Contextual assistance. By understanding the context of each customer's journey, eGain allows agents to provide tailored advice or offers, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. 4. AI-enhanced agent assistance. Guided workflows. AI-driven workflows guide customer service agents through complex interactions, ensuring they provide accurate and consistent answers. Agent knowledge access. eGain equips agents with AI-powered knowledge tools that suggest answers and troubleshooting steps in real time, reducing resolution times and increasing efficiency. 5. Proactive customer engagement. Proactive outreach. eGain enables businesses to engage proactively by sending notifications, updates, or reminders based on customer behavior, such as sending shipping status updates or service reminders. Sentiment analysis. eGain can monitor customer sentiment during interactions, allowing agents to adjust their tone or approach accordingly, improving customer satisfaction. 6. Advanced analytics and reporting. Customer insights. eGain's analytics provide insights into customer behaviors, preferences, and issues, enabling businesses to refine their services and address common pain points. Performance monitoring. Real-time and historical reports allow businesses to track key metrics such as first contact resolution, FCR, average handle time, AHT, and customer satisfaction, CSAT, driving improvements in service quality. 7. Seamless integration with other systems. CRM and contact center integration. eGain integrates with popular CRM platforms, contact center systems, and other business tools, ensuring agents have all the information needed for efficient support. API flexibility. It offers API support for custom integrations, allowing businesses to extend the platform's capabilities and ensure it fits within their existing technology stack. Integrating eGain Customer Engagement Suite with existing systems. Integrating the eGain Customer Engagement Suite with existing systems can significantly enhance customer service capabilities by creating a unified, multi-channel experience. This integration allows for seamless information flow between eGain's suite and other enterprise systems, leading to more personalized, efficient, and insightful customer interactions. Below are the key aspects of integration. 1. CRM integration. Objective: integrating eGain with customer relationship management (CRM) platforms, example Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, or Oracle CRM, ensures that customer service agents have access to complete, up-to-date customer data. Benefits: unified view. Agents can view customer history, preferences, and past interactions in one place. Real-time updates. Synchronizing customer data ensures real-time updates across platforms, preventing data silos. 2. Contact center integration. Objective: eGain can be integrated with telephony systems or existing contact center platforms, example Cisco, Avaya, to streamline communication workflows. Benefits: omni-channel routing. Automatically route customer inquiries from different channels, voice, chat, email, to the most appropriate agent. Unified communications. Agents can handle voice, chat, and email interactions from a single interface, improving efficiency. 3. ERP integration. Objective: integrating eGain with enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, example SAP, Oracle ERP, helps align customer service efforts with back-office operations such as order management and billing. Benefits: service automation. Automate workflows like tracking orders, processing returns, and updating account information. Real-time data. Provide agents with real-time insights into inventory, delivery schedules, or account status to improve customer support accuracy. 4. Knowledge Management System (KMS) integration. Objective: leverage existing knowledge management systems within eGain's context-sensitive guidance to assist agents with quick access to articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. Benefits: enhanced agent efficiency. Agents get instant, relevant knowledge to resolve issues faster. Self-service options enable customers to access the knowledge base directly, reducing the volume of inbound queries. 5. Analytics and reporting tools integration. Objective: integrating eGain with analytics platforms, example Google Analytics, Tableau, or business intelligence tools to track customer engagement metrics and improve service operations. Benefits: comprehensive reporting. Consolidate data from various systems to get insights into customer interactions, agent performance, and operational bottlenecks. Actionable insights. Use AI and predictive analytics for improving customer experience and preemptively addressing service issues. 6. AI and chatbot integration. Objective: integrating AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants with eGain for automating routine customer interactions like FAQs, appointment scheduling, and status checks. Best practices for utilizing eGain Customer Engagement Suite. eGain Customer Engagement Suite is a robust platform for enhancing customer interactions across multiple channels, including web, social, mobile, and voice. To get the most out of this suite, it's crucial to follow best practices that focus on improving customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and overall business outcomes. Here are some key best practices for utilizing the eGain Customer Engagement Suite. 1. Unified Customer Experience. Omnichannel support. Ensure seamless interactions across all supported channels, such as email, chat, phone, and social media. eGain's suite allows you to engage customers consistently, so provide a cohesive experience no matter the touchpoint. Personalized customer journeys. Leverage the suite's AI and analytics to personalize customer interactions based on past interactions, preferences, and predictive insights. Tailor responses and solutions to individual customer needs. 2. Knowledge management. Create a central knowledge base. Use eGain's knowledge management tools to build a comprehensive and well-organized knowledge base. This ensures that agents have quick access to accurate information, improving first contact resolution, FCR. Self-service optimization. Optimize knowledge bases for customer self-service. Implement AI-powered virtual assistants to guide customers through solutions before escalating to live agents. Regular content audits. Keep the knowledge base updated with relevant, timely information. Outdated or incorrect content leads to poor customer experiences. 3. AI-driven automation. Deploy AI for enhanced interaction. Use eGain's AI capabilities to automate routine inquiries with chatbots, reduce handling time, and free up human agents for more complex issues. Proactive customer engagement. Implement AI to offer proactive help. Example: personalized recommendations, alerts, and messages based on real-time customer behavior and data. 4. Agent empowerment. Agent training and tools. Equip agents with the right tools and training through eGain's Agent Console. Encourage continuous learning using built-in coaching and feedback mechanisms. Unified desktop for agents. Use eGain's unified desktop to provide agents with all necessary tools, including real-time guidance, across various communication channels. This streamlines operations and reduces customer wait times. 5. Analytics and reporting. Real-time monitoring and analytics. Regularly track and analyze key performance indicators, KPIs, such as response time, customer satisfaction, CSAT, and agent performance. Use these insights to make data-driven improvements. Customer sentiment analysis. Implement sentiment analysis tools to monitor the tone of customer communications and address dissatisfaction early on. 6. Integrating with CRM and backend systems. CRM integration. Integrate eGain with existing CRM systems, example Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, for a 360-degree view of customers. This integration enables agents to access detailed customer profiles and history for personalized interactions. Streamline workflows. Use API integrations to connect backend systems, example inventory management, billing, and streamline workflows between departments, ensuring efficient and accurate responses. 7. Multilingual support. Language localization. If your business operates in multiple regions, utilize again's multilingual capabilities to provide support in different languages. Ensure that content and knowledge bases are localized for language and cultural differences. Real-time translation. Use real-time translation tools to support customers across various languages without delay, ensuring no communication barriers. Why choose ProExcellency for eGain Customer Engagement Suite online training? Choosing ProExcellency for eGain Customer Engagement Suite online training could offer several advantages, including expert trainers. ProExcellency may have experienced instructors who are specialists in the eGain Customer Engagement Suite, ensuring that learners get high-quality guidance. Comprehensive curriculum. The training likely covers all the essential aspects of the eGain Customer Engagement Suite, including omni-channel communication, AI-powered chatbots, analytics, and CRM integration to prepare participants thoroughly. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency may offer practical, real-world scenarios and hands-on exercises, which can help learners understand the application of eGain Suite in different business environments. Flexible learning. Online training allows participants to learn at their own pace, and ProExcellency might provide flexible schedules to accommodate working professionals. Certification. Completing the training could potentially lead to certification, validating your expertise in using the eGain platform, which is highly valued in the customer engagement and support domain. Post-training support. They may offer post-training support and resources, enabling participants to resolve any doubts or issues that arise after the course. Global recognition. ProExcellency might have a reputation for providing recognized, high-quality training programs, adding credibility to the learners' professional profiles. Thank you.